Did you know your body is performing thousands of incredible operations every single second, without you being aware of any of them? From the way your cells communicate to the hidden powers of your organs, the human body is without question the most sophisticated machine ever created. Today we are counting down 10 of the most mind-blowing facts about the human body. Stay until the end because number 10 will completely change the way you think about yourself. Number 1. Your stomach destroys itself every few days. The lining of your stomach is constantly being eaten away by the powerful acids it uses to digest food. Hydrochloric acid, the same acid used in industrial cleaning, sits inside your stomach right now. To survive this, your body grows an entirely new stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. If this process ever stopped, even for a short time, the acid would begin digesting the stomach itself. Over the course of an average lifetime, your body replaces its stomach lining more than 7,000 times. Number 2. Your brain is more powerful than any computer ever built. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others through tiny junctions called synapses. Every thought, memory, and emotion you experience is the result of electrical signals firing across these connections at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. If you lined up all your neurons end to end, they would stretch over 600 miles. And unlike any computer, your brain runs all of this on just 20 watts of power, less than a dim light bulb. Number 3. You grow a completely new skeleton every decade. Your bones feel solid and permanent, but they are actually living tissue in a constant state of change. Specialized cells called osteoclasts break down old bone tissue, while other cells called osteoblasts build new bone in its place. This cycle of destruction and renewal means that almost every bone in your body is completely replaced approximately every 10 years. The skeleton you have today is not the same one you were born with, and it will not be the same one you have in 10 years. Number 4. Your eyes can see 10 million different colors, but no two people see the same ones. The human eye contains around 6 million cone cells, which are responsible for detecting color. These cones are sensitive to red, green, and blue light, and their combinations allow us to perceive roughly 10 million distinct shades. But here is the fascinating part. The exact way your brain interprets these signals is unique to you. The color you experience as red may appear completely differently inside the mind of another person. We have no way of ever knowing whether two people truly see the same color, because we can only ever experience our own perception. Number 5. Your heart works harder than any pump ever engineered. It beats around 100,000 times every single day. That is over 35 million beats per year, and more than 2.5 billion beats over the course of an average lifetime. With every beat, it pumps blood through over 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels, enough to circle the earth more than twice. And it does all of this continuously, without rest, from before you were born until the moment you die, never stopping once. Number 6. Your small intestine is one of the most cleverly designed organs in existence. Measuring around 6 meters in length, it somehow fits inside your abdomen by folding back and forth in tight loops. But the truly remarkable part is its inner surface, covered in millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller projections called microvilli. The total surface area of your small intestine is roughly equivalent to the size of a tennis court. This enormous surface allows your body to absorb nutrients from food with extraordinary efficiency. Number 7. You shed an entire outer layer of skin every month. The outermost layer of your skin, called the epidermis, is constantly renewing itself. Every hour, you lose between 30,000 and 40,000 dead skin cells. Over the course of a year, that amounts to roughly 4 kilograms of skin shed from your body. In fact, a significant portion of the dust you find in your home is made up of your own dead skin cells. Your body has shed and regrown its outer skin layer more than 300 times over the course of your life so far. Number 8. Your nose is far more powerful than scientists ever imagined. For decades, researchers believed humans could detect around 10,000 different smells, but a groundbreaking study published in 2014 revealed the true number is closer to 1 trillion distinct scents. To put that in perspective, that is more smells than there are stars visible to the naked eye in the night sky. Your sense of smell is also deeply connected to memory and emotion, more so than any other sense, because smell signals travel directly to the part of the brain associated with memory and feeling. Number 9. Your blood vessels could wrap around the earth more than twice. Inside your body right now there are approximately 100,000 kilometers of arteries, veins, and capillaries. These vessels form an intricate network that delivers oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body. The smallest of these, the capillaries, are so thin that red blood cells must pass through them in single file. Yet despite their size, These tiny vessels are responsible for supplying oxygen to the 37 trillion cells that make up your body. Number 10. You are not the same person you were 10 years ago, literally. Your body replaces most of its cells on a continuous basis. Red blood cells live for about 4 months. Skin cells last around 2 to 3 weeks. Even the cells of your bones are replaced over a period of years. While some cells, like certain neurons, stay with you for life. The majority of the atoms that make up your body are completely different from the ones you had a decade ago. The matter that forms you right now is once part of the food you ate, the water you drank, and the air you breathe. You are, in a very real physical sense, a constantly changing collection of the universe's atoms, temporarily assembled into the shape of you. So which of these 10 facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe because we post new mind-blowing facts every single week. And check out our other videos for more incredible facts about science, nature, and the world around us. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.